Hi everyone and welcome back to my YouTube channel. I'm sorry for being absent for literally a month, but I've been enjoying the sun, I've been busy, but now I'm getting back into it. So I want to start this video with a festival look because I understand that we're coming up to festival season, we're getting Parklife, Creamfields, Leeds Fest, and I think it's important that you have a tutorial of a quite simple but really cool and funky festival look. So I'm going to be messing around with these glitters. I think I'm sticking more with these like rose goldy glitters. This was from Beauty Bay. I think this was very cheap. You have the Gypsy Shrine glitters, which are quite expensive, but this glitter was about £2 for the pot. I really like this glitter too. So I think I can tip it without actually oh, for God's sake. So I'm starting off with that P. Louise base on a flat MAC 252 brush. Carve out the brow and cover the whole of the lid with the base. Okay, so once we've patted that on, I'm looking super freaky, like we've got some sort of superhero mask on. Okay, wait one sec, can I just appreciate my new brush box? I absolutely love this. This is from My Kit Co. And it even has a little bag that pulls over a little strap. It's amazing. Feels so much more organised now. I've got this right, I look really weird. So I'm going to carry on with this look. But we're going to go straight in with that P. Louise palette. I'm going for a pink lid. I'm going to have a pink lid and a glitter waterline. And then we're going to add some jewels. So it's quite a simple look, but it's easy to follow and it really does look really good. I want to focus on the cheekbone, making it quite pink and prominent. I really like that burnt orange pink cheekbone that a lot of people go for at festivals. So I'm going to go in with these two pink colours here. Just be careful with these two colours, because if you do have this palette, the pigmentation is so unbelievably amazing that if you put that slight bit too much on, it'll just spread everywhere. So you have to be quite controlling with this. I'm quite an expressive artist, but with this one, I have to be quite controlling. So I'm going to take that MAC 239 brush and I'm going to go in with that Martini colour. I'm going to try and blend it out into a little burnt orange colour, I think. And then we're going to go in all over pink lid. This is like the really ugly stage. This is going from dark to light. I like to transition from dark to light, not light to dark. So you want to add this as close to the socket bone as possible. You need to feel for that socket bone and get this kind of half on top of above the socket bone and half underneath the socket bone. Okay, so now we've got them colours on, we want to just tidy it up a tiny bit and smudge it out a tiny bit more because it's such a harsh colour. So just smudge it out a tiny bit, but not too much because we want to blend it out with another colour, so we need enough room for that next colour. There we go. So now I just want to blend that out with more of an orange colour, but we need to get that transition right so that I don't want the eye to look more orange than pink. I want it to be quite pink overall on the top. I'm going to go with the colours Queen and Sunkissed in the P. Louise palette. So you've got the orange here and then the red here. So I'm going to be really careful with these. I'm going to use my Zoeva 227 brush. This is my new brush, new addition to the family. So when we get to this awfully ugly stage, I want to start working into the eyes more. So I want to fill the lid with the full bright pink colour from the Urban Decay Electric palette. So this colour here. And then I want to work into that crease with the Bestie and Contour colour from the P. Louise palette. And I'm going to go with this brush, 226 Smudger. Right, once we've done that, we need to get a blender brush and blend into that crease with that pink colour. just to buff it out slightly. Now we need to take a little pencil brush. Any little pencil brush will do really. We need to work into that crease with the bestie colour and the contour colour from the P. Louise palette. So I'm either going to go with this pencil brush from Zoeva, it's the 230, or I'm going to go with a MAC 221. So I'm going to take that contour colour first because it's slightly lighter than the bestie colour. I'm going to work into the crease with this. This is going to give the eye a lot of definition because currently it just looks quite flat. So we need to find that socket bone and start working into that. So once you've added that definition to the eye, I want to take one of your fluffy brushes again and get either that martini or contour colour just to add a tiny bit of shading into the corner. So once we've done that, I want to go in with some really nice thick eyeliner. I really like building my eyeliner up when I do my lashes too. So I do my eyeliner first, I'll put the lashes on, but then I go back over the eyeliner again after the lashes have gone on, because sometimes if I misplace my lashes or they're up a bit, it makes my eyeliner look a lot thinner than I want it to. I think it's a really good tip to always go over your eyeliner once your lashes are on. It's the NYX Vinyl Liquid Liner. It's amazing. It's £7 from Boots. Incredible. Never look back. So once you've done your eyeliner and you've cleaned up that bit with the makeup wipe too, I'm going to add this Razor Sharp Gold liquid eyeliner from Urban Decay onto the top of the eyeliner. I find this really tricky because I feel like you have to do it and then you'll come down a bit into the eyeliner, so then you have to go back in with the black eyeliner. This is completely up to you. You can get these in different shades. You can get them in silver, you can get them in turquoise, get them in green, but I just feel like they give a really popping effect to eyeliner when you do one sharp line across the top. So I'm going to go straight in with this. As you can see, if I just look down for you, it really makes the eyes pop. I really like how this eyeliner looks. I think it's really good for looks that's so simple. Like I've just got a simple pink on the eye and I think it really does make it. Sorry, I keep doing that creepy eye thing. I can close one eye like this and my friends hate it, and I keep doing it in my videos like without realising, and it looks really creepy. I'm really sorry, but it's a really bad habit. It's how I look at my eyes. Oh my god, I need to stop now. So I've just put these fabulous Doll Beauty lashes. Thanks Charlotte for buying me them for my birthday. I've just put it on one eye and I'm going to use these on the other eye too, because I think they're not too big but they're really nice. I really like how they're spaced out and like gappy. I like them gappy lashes, and I feel like they're really buildable with mascara as well. So I'm going to go ahead and put that on the other eye. So once we've done them lashes, we want to focus on the face. So I want to start off with the Bobbi Brown All Over Glow as usual. 2 pumps onto the hand and then just work into the face like a moisturiser. My current foundation of choice is the NARS Natural Radiant Long Glide Foundation, shade Santa Fe. So I just want to go in with this with the MAC 187 brush. Under the eyes, I just like to get the smaller MAC brush. It's like, oh god, that was ugly. It's like another 187, but it's the 130. It's like a smaller one. And I just put a bit of foundation onto that and just get into the bits where I couldn't get with the bigger brush. And then my go-to concealer at the moment is actually the MAC Pro Longwear Concealer. And this is a really dark concealer. It's NC35. Bearing in mind I'm only like NC30 for my foundation, sometimes NC20 if I've not got tan on. But this concealer is amazing. I've never had a concealer that's so thick. Oh, the coverage as well. And it doesn't crease at all. I'm really struggling to find a concealer that doesn't crease. My NARS has started to crease, but it's not only the crease that's irritating me, it's the fact that my bottom eyelashes are too long and the mascara prints onto my face. So I will literally, as soon as I put that mascara on, it'll be on my face straight away. But I didn't have this issue at all with this concealer, and I've fallen in love with it. It stole my heart. I think it's beautiful. Shout out to my Beach Stick for my contouring, my cream contouring. It is beautiful. It's so creamy. You can, like, even in the ad, like when I was looking on how to use this, it actually says to use it with your fingers. I'm like, fingers, are you kidding me? This isn't Dream Matte Mousse. We're not using this with our fingers. And you can actually blend it with your fingers if you prefer, because it is literally so creamy. There we go. That cream contour's done. So you can see as well that Bobbi Brown All Over Glow. No highlighter. That's why I like it so much. I think it's so dewy and nice. I really like that. Right, so once that's done, we want to powder that face. I've started using the Charlotte Tilbury Airbrush Flawless Finish powder. So you can see how flawless that is. It's absolutely flawless, and it's weightless too. It looks as if you have no foundation on at all. No foundation, no powder, same thing, whatever. Moving on. So now we're going in with this MAC Peaches blush. This is the really important bit. You want to get on the side of your brush like this, and we're going to work into this bit here of the face. I love to get that really, really peachy temple and jaw, cheekbone, yeah, cheekbone when I'm doing festival looks. Peaches, I then want to have a peachy highlight, so I'm going to go with the MAC Blooming Blush highlight, but I'm first going to add this over the current contouring too, just on the temple bone here. Now just to top that highlighter off properly with a bit more sheen, take your chosen highlighter, Fix Plus, onto a little brush, and then we just want to go into that. Okay, so now it's time for the fun part. You want to take any black eyeliner you've got, just find them. So any black pencil eyeliner that you have, grab that and just apply the eyeliner underneath onto the waterline. Once you've done that, you just need to blend that out with a pencil brush, just like you would like you're doing a normal waterline, except we're not. We're going to add glitter onto it when we buff this out. And get your brush from before that you use. Adding no extra product because there will be remaining product on from before. So once that's done, I like to add my glitter. Right, I don't know whether to use this rose gold one or whether to use blue. Do I use blue? No, I'm gonna go with this. Right, this is my favourite bit. If you have the NYX glitter glue, then obviously use that, but I just use eyelash glue, to be honest, the ones that I get in my packs. So just go ahead and put this wherever you want the glitter to go. So I want it to come down a bit here. Yeah, just with your finger, dab the glitter on. Helps if your finger's either wet or sweaty. I think mine's sweaty, so it's alright. I'm loving it. And I'm going to grab my shell. I don't like heavy brows anymore either, so I'm changing a lot at the moment with what I decide to do. So I'm preferring right now the Anastasia Beverly Hills Brow Definer. And I just lightly go over my brow because I quite like how dark my natural eyebrows are. And there you have it, guys. Ooh. This really makes me want to go to a festival now. I'm absolutely feeling this look, and I really hope that you guys can follow this quite easily too. So I kept the eyes quite simple, so it just goes to show how one colour can really go a long way, because I think the big things about festival looks are the glitter. Everybody loves glitter at festivals, it's just glitter fest everywhere. I would have added more gems personally above the eyebrows, but I don't have the patience with these tiny little things. They're absolutely tiny, and I've got long nails and they're really stressing me out. But I've just also shoved my hair into 2 little buns. I think that's quite a fun way to wear your hair for festivals too. It's up to you if you want to put glitter down the parting, but I really don't think my mum would be happy with me if she came out with that glitter everywhere. But thank you for watching, everyone. I really hope you enjoy this look. Please DM me or comment below if you'd like the next look to be liquid eyeliner for beginners, or I do my best friend's makeup. Thanks for watching, guys. See you next week. Bye.